Hello and welcome to Pytechie. Today we are diving into the key concept in statistics, the median. Whether you are analyzing a score, salary, or survey result, the median gives us a way to understand the middle of dataset. It helps answer questions like what's typically income or what is the center of the dataset. So if you are ever wonder how to find the true middle ground, the median has your back. The median is the value that lies exactly in the middle of dataset when the number are arranged in a order either ascending or descending. It divides the dataset into the two equal parts. Here is the formula to calculate the median. So first we will arrange the dataset in ascending order. After that, this is odd. Then we will find the position of value by number of value plus 1 divided by 2. If the number of value is even, then we can find the position of value. There we have two position of values. First one is a n divided by 2. Another one is a n divided by 2 plus 1. Then we can add these two number and divide it by 2, which is basically we can find the calculate the average. Okay. So this is a simple formula which we have to calculate the median. Here is the example. So first example is for the odd values. Here we have 5 numbers total 12, 34, 23, 10, 8. First we will order this data. So 8, 10, 12, 23, 34. This is the order. Now we have total 5 number and then we can calculate the position of the values where is the median. So there is a 5 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to third. Third means 8, 10 and third is a 12. So 12 position is a third position is 12. So median is our 12. In second example, we have a total 6 values which is even. So first we will order in ascending order. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 23, 34. These are the order. Now we can calculate the position of values. So first we have 6 divided by 2 as per the formula. So total number we have 6. Then 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Third position is at 10. Now we have second value. So 6 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to fourth position. So fourth position is a 12. So 10 plus 12 divided by 2 equal to 22 divided by 2. The final value is median is 11. So this is the how we can calculate the median for odd and even. You can pause the video and check how we are calculating this. Now these are the pros and cons of the median. So let's see first pros. So when to use the median and when not to use the median. So we can use when we have a outlier also. So the median is not get affected by the outlier because we are only considering the middle of the value. We are ignoring the lower and higher value. So it doesn't outlier doesn't affect the median values. And if we have a data in a skewed distribution, so it work well when the data is not evenly distributed properly, like salary, house prices, and it is easy to understand. It is conceptually simple. We have to just find the middle number. So there are two approach. When one is for the odd number and one for the even number. Now let's see when not to use. So when it will only consider the middle of the value, it is ignoring all the other data sets. So if you find somewhere like the higher and lower value are affecting, then that time you can consider this median values. And it is also required as sorting. So sorting which is computationally cost. So if we have a large data set, then it will take time to calculate this median value. It is less sensitive because we have we are not taking any changes from the lower or higher value perspective. So it is less sensitive. A small any kind of changes that affected very low to the median value. So if I give you the quick summary, so median is a robust tool for the outlier, and it is easy to interpret. It is not uses all the data. It is good for the skewed data also, and mathematically it is easy to implement. So yeah, that's all about the median. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you